Good morning, guys. Today we've got here VIVO X300 Pro, and let me show you how to change keyboard language on this device. So first of all, let's enroll a new message or any other area where you can open keyboard. So this is the panel that we have to open. Then mark settings, go to languages, tap on plus icon, which is for add keyboard, and select the one that you want to apply. You can either scroll till you find the one or enter it in search area. Tap on done, then remove unnecessary languages, go back, and that's it. As you can see, it is already applied. You can smoothly use it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.